You're watching Foxtecc, and in this video, I'll show you how to allow others to repost your posts on TikTok. Let's get right to it. Start by opening the TikTok app and going to your profile. Once you're there, tap the three-line menu icon in the top right corner to open the main settings. From the list, select Settings and Privacy, then tap on Privacy to access your privacy options. Scroll down until you see the Repost section and tap on it. Inside, you'll find the option to allow others to repost your videos. Simply toggle this switch on. Once enabled, people will be able to share your content with their own followers directly within TikTok, giving you a chance to reach a wider audience while still keeping credit as the original creator. If you ever change your mind and want to stop others from reposting your videos, you can come back to this setting at any time and turn it off. It's an easy way to manage how your content gets shared on the platform. Thanks for watching Foxtecc. If this helped you out, go ahead and like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and helpful TikTok tutorials. See you later.